Two for the price of one. That's my kind of deal right there, honey. I love this place so much, you guys. This just gives me all my big city vibes. All of it. All of it, all of it, all of it. I'm just drinking gold. I was telling Honey Buns here that I forgot to pick up the camera. I am so used to just like Insta only and, you know, doing my stories, and we're actually heading out to Chicago, or up to Chicago, going north. And I told my YouTube team, like, let's just do a vlog because we're going on like a romantic getaway. And this is a partnership with Toyota, and they actually gave us a little Lexus here. Not a little, a gorgeous one. And it's very sporty and all. And so I was just like caught up with trying to, you know, do my content for the day and just be done with that and be able to relax. And then I looked at my camera, I'm like, darn it, I forgot to do my, you know, my YouTube, my vlog. So hopefully I'm not shaking too much, you guys. I haven't done a vlog in ages, so this camera is quite heavy. I should have gotten my smaller one, but I wanted to have like good imagery and footage. So hopefully we're gonna be good. Hopefully the team, that's Teller team, will be able to edit this with less shakiness from my hands. Crossing my fingers. Anyway, what's on the schedule, honey, for the weekend?
You're going shopping and I'm gonna watch ball games. But
other than that, we're just spending time together. We actually have a couples massage that Toyota Lexus booked for us, and we're staying in this gorgeous hotel. It's called the Peninsula in Chicago, which is right at the I don't know if it's the it's the Magnificent Mile, so it's by Ralph Lauren, so it's just a really good location. I feel like it would be great to walk around. The sun is kind of peeking through the clouds, which is so nice. It's gelid though. It's gonna be a frigid weekend. It's gonna be on the single digits in Chicago, so I brought in my extra big Sherpa back there. And wearing my cozies here. I posted on Insta. I'll have it all in here for you guys too, all the links, because I know you like that. And I think that's it for our intro. If you're new here, my name is Karina. This is a vlog and not like a common content on the channel. However, if you're into fashion, beauty, lifestyle, make sure to stick around. We have lots of those videos planned and coming through slowly. Anyway, I hope that you guys enjoy our little Chicago romantic destination / getaway. Guys, there's like this windmills. They're so pretty on the way to Chicago. I'm afraid that this is a little too blown out.
very sleek.
They are, and it's like a whole field of them. Okay, better footage of the windmills. These are like our favorite on the way up to Chicago. I love this place so much, you guys. This just gives me all my big city vibes. All of it. All of it, all of it, all of it. decided to walk for breakfast and not sure we're gonna be able to.
We can make it.
It's 2 minutes in, you guys, and it's 12 degrees. And I feel like we're dressed appropriately, but it's super cold. Hi guys. So I just went to Zara today. I tried to catch some footage of the streets with my phone, but it was so cold and it was snowing so hard. So funny that after we got back here, the sun came out.
Yeah.
Look at Honey Buns back there chilling. I did get another Zara little goodies, few goodies here. Let me try to adjust this camera here, sorry. And this is one of the sweaters. One of the sleeves that I purchased. It wasn't a full sweater, it's just the sleeves. This is actually size medium. I feel like it is a little bit too big, but it's such a cool, interesting thing I wanted. And I got this racerback bodysuit. And I just couldn't wait. I'm like, I want to wear it right now. But this color palette of the goodies that I got, so pretty. This is, the light here is very moody, so it's very like orange. I'll show you guys more, you know, soon. I'm planning on doing a video. I got a pair of joggers and I will put them together, like put a few looks together with the joggers. I got a lot of tops and it's very like spring colors. I think that you guys are gonna like it a lot. And right now I'm just here like doing some work and getting some computer work done. Our reservations for dinner are not until 8:30. So in an hour, well, an hour and a half. Meanwhile, I have to say this. I'm gonna say this on my YouTube channel. I opened up this bottle of wine last night just waiting for the bar to call us. They had like a wait list because they're like totally socially distancing and all. So instead of waiting down in the lobby, we're like, well, we're just gonna go back in the room, so call us, you know, and they did. While we were waiting in the room, I saw this bottle of Cabernet. It's a half a bottle. I have to show you guys because maybe some wine connoisseurs in here will know that this bottle, I don't know. It's called the Caymus Vineyards 2017 Napa. Anyway, I didn't think much of it. I'm like, oh, it's probably a pricey bottle. But when I looked at the price today, because we were about to open the champagne, and I'm like, this is more expensive than the Veuve of the champagne. A half a bottle of Veuve Clicquot. It's like $80. So I'm like sipping this as it's like gold, right, honey? I'm just drinking gold. And then we ended up going to the GT's. I try to get a little bit of footage, so hopefully it was helpful. It was a really nice dinner, right?
It was good.
Yeah. I mean, were you disappointed? Be honest. No. You can be honest.
No, it was good.
I thought so too. It was like I had the filet. Well, we kind of split a surf and turf. So we got the prime sirloin. That was really good price. It was like 36 with the fries. Fries were good. And then a pound of lobster, Maine lobster. That was more pricey.
It wasn't really a pound.
I know, that's what Brian said. It's like, this looks like, yeah, that was just a lot. Maybe it was a pound before they cooked. Maybe that's what it means. And then today we went to Restoration Hardware and that was amazing, right? That was worth it. We had $15 mimosas and that was actually amazing. That's what got us in the mood to go get a champagne. And then, you know, we didn't want to spend another $80 on a half a bottle. So Brian went to Walgreens, got us a champagne, and then it wasn't good, right, honey? Then we just had a little bit and like, okay, I'll just go back to my $80 wine. So I told Brian I'm going to come back, you guys, and we have reservations for, what's the name of the place, honey? Do you know? Let me get my phone. It's called, it's a Japanese place. It's called Momotaro. We have these reservations for 8:30, and I'm like, I just can't wait to come back and take a bath. And I think that's it. Oh, and I made an appointment for Dior tomorrow, guys. Oh, I'll tell you one thing too. So, I don't know if you guys follow me on Insta or not, but if you do, I recently went to Miami, like, last month with the girls. And I really wanted to stop at Chanel and just get myself like a bag, and like I've been like saving and I've been trying to purge a lot. So I'm just trying to make sense of like spending a lot of money on a handbag. And so I have my eye on this one particular bag. Anyway, long story short, oh my gosh, you guys, I try to call the boutique in here because I told Brian, well, we're going up there, might as well just go and check it out. Like, no commitments, I just want to go and see. Tell us, honey, when. No, I try to look it up online because you're supposed to book an appointment. They're not taking walk-ins, so you have to have an appointment. So today we were passing by Dior. Dior asked if we had appointments, but they got it as a sales associate and we could get in. And it was beautiful, right? And then the Chanel, they were saying no availability. So I'm like, okay, well, we'll just call and see if they have any openings. Tell us, when was the next opening they had? Do you remember I told you?
April.
You guys, April 5th. Today's February, like 13th, pre-Valentine's Day. It just blew my mind. I'm like, wow, people really are making appointments every day to go and buy $5,000 bags. In like 1 hour appointments, like, say they have 5 or 6 sales associates, right? At least with 1 hour each person for however many hours they're open a day. I'm just like, are you kidding me? And I told the guy, I'm like, are you kidding me? He's like, no. So anyway, I'm like, okay, that's just too fancy schmancy for me, right?
Yes.
Like Honey Buns tried to get a hair appointment yesterday. We went to Rosebud downstairs, and it's a cute little Italian restaurant. And I was just looking around the map, and I'm like, oh, they have a hair place here because he wanted to get a haircut. And then they wanted to charge him $90.
My hair is pretty easy.
I'm easier than that. I'm a little easier. You said something that was funny, like, I think I'm easier than that. And the lady was just staring at him like, okay.
Yeah, you just put the 1.5 on there and buzz the sides and clip it up and it's done.
I said I'll do it for $90, right, honey, at home.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, that's it. We're gonna go out to dinner. I'll try to get a little footage for you guys, and then tomorrow is our last day. They did give us a very late checkout, which is so nice. Usually it's at noon. We told them we would like to stay until about 2, and they were totally fine with it. So that was a nice thing, right?
Yeah.
For them to do. Anyway, all right. See you soon. guys on the way to the RealReal. I'm gonna check out some of the designer goodies before we head to an appointment at Dior at 1. So I'm excited about that. Show you around a little bit. Lily, Burberry, you got Gucci in here. We got some RealReal. 2 for the price of 1. That's my kind of deal right there, Juanito. Right?
Right.
Can't wait to show you guys what we got. And that was it for today, you guys. I hope that you enjoy coming along Chicago with Honey Buns and I do realize that it was so hard to grab footage because it was, number one, so very cold, and number two, I'm just so not used to like vlogging. I hope that you guys were able to get a little glimpse of it and enjoy a little bit. And do let me know if you guys want to see other types of vlogs, because you know, the more I do it, the better I'll get at it. And then if you guys want to see like a week in my life or just weekly vlog, or maybe like a monthly one with the highlights of like the job, what I do, you know, working from home and juggling kids and all of that good stuff, maybe like PR unboxings and collaborations. I don't know, I'm just trying to think of a bunch of things, but super open to do more of those lifestyle vlogs for you guys. So do let me know whether you want to see more of them and ideas of what exactly you want to see. So again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Um beijo. Ciao, ciao.